Are you looking for information about dyslexia? If you are, you are in the right place. I share information about challenges, strengths, and how to navigate your own dyslexia journey. That's right. Dyslexia is a journey because it's the way our brains process information, and our brains have always processed information differently. Not wrong, just differently. And with us processing information differently, we're able to see the world differently, and we're able to go on and help make the world a better place. My name is Kathleen, and I'm a dyslexic here to help other dyslexics. I have been navigating my own dyslexia journey and have definitely had way too many twists and turns and have learned so many things along the way. And I can't wait to share that information with you to help make your journey easier, get to where you need to be faster than I did. Please go ahead and like this video, introduce yourself in the comments, and check out some of my other videos so you can start learning more about dyslexia now.